Welcome to Golden Sands Retirement Villas in the heart of Mandurah. If you are 55 or over looking for comfortable living, this charming villa could be the perfect fit. With street frontage, a private gated entrance, a lovely courtyard, it is the perfect space to relax, enjoy your morning coffee, or entertaining family and friends. Inside, you will find 2 comfortable bedrooms along with a combined bathroom and laundry designed for easy living. And the location, it's fantastic. You are just a short stroll to the Mandurah foreshore, beach, cafés and local shops. I'm Abhishek Disawala, Acton property, Mandurah. Selling property with the personality. Call me today.